If you're coming from Windows, you may miss the folder hierarchy there. The good news is that that hierarchy exists in macOS, but you have to learn about its secret. So for that, you have to right click on the title on the Finder. Okay, so you see that the hierarchy is like that. So you can see that this item is inside this folder hierarchy. First of all in documents, and then translation, and then AI. In that folder you can find these items. This trick also works in most OS X programs or applications. For example, in TextEdit, for example, I have got this TextEdit file. I want to know where I stored it. So right click on the title. So you see that I stored or saved this file in this hierarchy: documents, recordings, results, TSF, palette, and items. And if you click on any of the items, you can go straight to that folder. See, if I click on TSF palette, I can see all my files in that folder.